Well, some of the fish we eat comes from floating fish farms, just like this one here. Just as we have farms for rearing animals, we also have farms for rearing fish. Do you know why there are so many dogs on this fish farm? Well, they're there to keep watch and to guard the place. Altogether, we have 80 floating fish farms in Singapore. There are two interesting things about these farms. One, they're found in the middle of the sea. And two, they float on the sea with the help of these blue drums. This is minced fish. The fish seem to enjoy eating it quite a bit. On a few fish farms are found food pellet machines. This man spends a lot of time preparing the food pellets for the fish. The machine helps to mix dry powdered food with minced fish and churns out pellets such as these. And it's feeding time. The fish are fed every day. See how hungry they are? There are mussel farms too. See? Mussels on a rope. Lobsters are also reared in some of these farms. Let's lift up the net a little and have a look at some young fish. They'll live on the farm for perhaps another 8 months before they are harvested. Do you know what this man is doing? He's harvesting fish. Just look at how big these grouper have grown. They're about 12 months old and are ready to be sold. The man very skillfully picks out only the bigger ones and leaves the smaller ones behind so that they can grow bigger. These are very expensive fish, and many of them will be sold to other countries. This man is going to harvest some sea bass. But first he has to haul or pull up the net. You might have seen such fish in the market near your home. See how big the fish have grown? They're between 7 and 10 months old. Again, only the bigger ones are picked. He has to be careful when he does this so that he doesn't hurt the fish. He looks as if he's in a hurry. Do you know why? Well, that's because he needs to make sure that the fish are not left out of water for too long a time. If they are, they might die. And away they go on a fast boat. Fish harvested from the farms are placed into containers like this one here. Do you know why there are so many bubbles in the water? Well, an air pump has been placed into it to make sure the fish have enough air for the journey. Once all the fish and prawns have been loaded onto the lorry, they are sent to various restaurants, supermarkets and markets.